Hey everybody, RedGhost and who?
MiniGhost.
MiniGhost. We're here because we're going to talk about some of one of my favorite camping items I take on our hikes and camping trips, and just thought my daughter likes to play with them and I do too. I think they're kind of cool. So here's what we're going to do. I got one package and they are multi-purpose wipes. This is one of them. There's about 100 in here. Show them that one. And easy towels. There's 50 in here, but it came with a carrying tube. I'm going to show you what they do. You ready?
That one first.
No, you get one out and I get one out, okay? That one. Hold it up. See? I don't know if you can focus. Well, it's imprinted, but that's what it is. About like that. Hold yours up close to it. See it? Alright, we're going to show you what they do. Put it on the table. Where's mine? Over there. Okay. Alright, I'm going to pour just a little bit of water on each one of them. Just a little bit.
I don't know if I can pour a little.
Yeah, you can. A little more.
A little more?
A little more. Pour some on there.
On this one?
Yeah. Oop. Scoot that other one over to the... No, yeah. Let it soak up some of that water.
They kind of look like marshmallows a little.
They do look like marshmallows. They look like fireworks snakes. Y'all remember those? They kind of grow like that. All right, let's pick it up. Pick yours up. So they grow like that. You take it, unroll it. Open it up. Mine is a 9x9, and MiniGhost is a 9x10. So I carry about 10 of these with me to freshen up, wipe my face down when it's hot, or just whatever. You can clean your backside, clean your booty with it, can't you?
Mm-hmm.
Got stuff on your face.
Is that ice cream?
No. But they're not paper. Pretty strong. I ripped it, but I mean, it's not paper. See?
It looks like you can rip it easily.
But you can't, can you? Pretty strong. See? I think you can get like a 2-pack for like $10, something like that. You can get about 200 of these for like $10. They're lightweight. I know grams equals ounces, ounces equal pounds, but who cares? I'm carrying them. I like them. They're good to wipe with. Clean your face. Clean her face where she got stuff. Just giving you a view on these towels. So I think if you go hiking or camping, this is a must. They're very strong.
It's for fishing and daycare and camping and home and office and restaurants and school.
Fishing.
And daycare.
Daycare.
Home.
Office.
Restaurant.
School.
Daycare.
Camping.
Fishing. And more.
So on mine, it says you can add cleanser for hygiene, add lemon to cut grease, vinegar to kill germs, toner to freshen up, cleaners for details. I mean, these are just pretty handy things. Very light. You can get 100 in this bag right here. I mean, they're awesome product. Women can throw a bunch of these in their purse. You know, just a cap full of water will get it wet. We always carry a bottle of water, so most people do. So That's our review. All right, hold yours up there. Easy towel and multi-purpose wipes. Lean over so they can see you. RedGhost and MiniGhost. Talk to y'all later. Say bye.
Bye.